Wonderful good morning, dear guests, on this Thursday, the 15th of December, and welcome to Antarctica. Around us are icebergs, wherever you can see, in front of us mountains and glaciers, and Port Point, our intended landing for the morning, is not far away.
ザス、12月15日の朝7時30分ぐらいですね。本日南極大陸に上陸と。朝起きたらね、アイスがちょっと青みがかったアイスがドーンと構えてますね。南極大陸、乗客の中には世界7大陸制覇を目指している方が結構いて、昨日までは島なんで達成できてないんですけど、今日南極のペニンシュラに行けば達成と。
Penguin trap, right? Penguins can fall inside, they can't get out again. So we have to make sure we close the holes that we make, and to avoid that is really.
南極大陸に上陸しました。気温はですね、マイナス3度です。めちゃくちゃ綺麗ですね。7つ目の大陸制覇した人たちがボードを持って写真撮ってました。向こうにカヤックチームがおりますね。カヤックは天気が良ければ毎日やる感じですね。カヤックの料金が最低900ドルとか1000ドルぐらいしたんですけど、なんか1回じゃなければその価値はありそうですね。ゾディアックで帰ってきた後のミルクココアがね、めちゃくちゃ体に染みます。船内でポストカードを販売しております。
Sisters and bacon.
That's really nice. Nice ring.
Do you have his name on it or what?
No, it's a sister's handwriting inside.
掲示板にはですね、スタッフさんの紹介もあって、この方が、リーダーですね。クリスチャン・ブルッテルさん from Germany。そう、みんなね、素晴らしいですよ。ほんとめちゃくちゃ感じいいですよ。ルーさん ルーさんは中国生まれでチリに移り住んで今この南極ツアーやってるので中国語、英語、スペイン語喋れますね。すげえ。
We are not alone. We are not alone. We are with the other sheep.
What Shackleton and the tenacity that it must have taken for them to have survived what they did. We celebrate Shackleton's career and they get to Elephant Island, which at that stage.
このゾディアックのボートに名前がついてますね。これは南船で、これがパイヤー、プレット、ベル。ザス。今ですね、午後4時です。今からポートロックローに向かいます。イスラエルからのダンさんです。Very handsome guy. Please subscribe. 雪がめっちゃ柔らかいです。ペンギンだけかと思ったらなんか同じ色の鳥が紛れ込んでますね。
But it's the first time this season. It is Port Lockroy. And the snow contains 20% oxygen. So this hasn't been long inside the glacier because it hasn't been compressed enough. You see all the air bubbles inside, right? So it's very young ice. Sometimes you see a piece of ice completely solid without any air. That's very old ice. But maybe, do you guys enjoy whiskey or a drink tonight? I will try to find a nice piece of ice later. And maybe we can get it to the bar for tonight and get you a drink. Okay. One more.
ポートロックロイに到着しております。ここにはですね、4名のイギリス人女性が夏だけなのかな、住んでるみたいですね。ここでポストカードをくれます。お土産も売ってます。見てみましょう。
And buy some souvenirs.
ここで靴を洗って、中は制限があって15人までで、マスクをして入店します。
Sorry, I'm a nerd. I work at Visa, so I was not expecting to see one of those up here.
Yeah, sometimes it's a bit out of satellite.
Oh, well, no.
Thank you very much.
ちなみにですね、今日夕食の後にキャンピングやるって言ってたんですけども、特に連絡がないので、ウェイティングリストから私は選出されてないですね。またの機会にキャンピングやります。ただいま風が止んでいる状態で、とても海が滑らかです。
What a day it was again, right? And the best news of the day is that the day is not over yet, right? Some of you
Just north of the Lemaire Channel. If you look at the map, it's around here. And if you zoom in a little bit, this is the bay. And we are expecting to do a Zodiac cruise there.
毎食レストランの前にこのどういったメニューがどういうものなのかっていうのが展示あるんですけど、これ今見たら本物ですね。本物、これ揺れるんだよな。絶対本物だよね。すごっ。本日3度目のエンバーカーションです。はい。ラジビルさん、カタリーナさん、はい。
Hi, how are you?
Good. キャンプの人たちが行く島にちょろっと立ち寄るというか遊びに行くって感じですね。キャンプの人たちはそのままワンナイトステイ。
Howdy.
Rocks in Antarctica are cool too.
Cold even.
See on the pictures on the walls, and Chet can talk a little bit on what the British did there, because they actually had an airplane that they flew even further south.
いいなぁ。やってみたかったなぁ。
So I said, Rainey, don't you want to put your snow down here? And she goes, no, because then we can't see.
That's what we wanted to be down the front.
Yeah.
You can take your hat. Or maybe my hat.
You can. You can. Okay. And we need something for ice. Yeah. Our friend, snowman.
I'm slowly going back. Yeah, trying to.
For example, there is a reef, but I really like snoring and at this high temperature over 5 days of altitude. And you have to travel.
Penguin's father was looking at the body.
Thank you very much for your help.
あそこにある茶色の家と奥にあるブルー、緑の家はトイレじゃないらしくて、もしこの方たちがトイレに行きたい場合はちょっと待って向こうの船でしなきゃいけないということでした。
Hi. Hi. So I.
Konnichiwa.
Oh. Konnichiwa.
Again.
Wait, no. Okay, we'll just cut it. Right?
But say konnichiwa.
Okay. Konnichiwa. I'm Cass. I camped outside on Antarctica last night, and it was super fun. We first got there, and there was just this flagged area that we could set up our camps in, and then we had to dig a big hole. So we were just shoveling the snow. And yeah, we shoveled the snow for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe, and then we had to lay this camping pad down, and then we took a break for a few hours and just walked around and looked at the snow and penguins and icebergs and mountains and everything. And then when it was time to go to bed, it was really hard because I was in all this waterproof stuff, but I didn't want to sleep in the waterproof stuff, so I had to like take off my boots but then not step in the snow, which was really hard because then I was going to be all wet all night and that wasn't going to be fun. So that was kind of hard, but we first like went in this liner for the sleeping bag, and then we went in the sleeping bag which was wrapped in this thing called a bivy, which is waterproof. And it was kind of hard to get yourself in there because you're like in a cocoon. And then the expedition team had to zip you up, but then I didn't want to be zipped up yet, and I was just like stuck there because I wanted to keep sitting up, but then I couldn't see anything because it was like covering my face. So then I unzipped it, but then that was a mistake because then I couldn't zip it back up myself, and it was kind of cold all night. But I just was sitting in my little hole, and I was in the front row because I wanted the penguins to get trapped in my hole with me. And then I was just looking out for about 2 or 3 hours, and it was just really pretty, and my face was really cold, and I was taking really stupid selfies, and it was really fun, and I was just trying to enjoy the nature and the snores from the Greek couple next to me. And then yeah, it was super cold, and then when I was finally ready to go to bed, I am kind of short, so I like pulled the sleeping bag all the way up so I could still get some airflow, but it wasn't going to hit my face. And then when I looked up, I just saw the snowman that my friend built me behind, and I just had a good view of the snowman all night. And it was kind of hot in the sleeping bag, but then I was kind of cold because the bivy wasn't all the way zipped up, so my sleeping bag was getting wet because it was snowing all night. And then I somehow fell asleep and I slept for like 2 or 3 hours. And then right when I woke up at like, we were supposed to wake up at 4:30 in the morning. And I woke up at like 3:30 because people were already shoveling their holes back together. And I was like confused, but then I went back to bed. And then like 10 minutes later, I woke up again and saw that there was like 5 people shoveling their holes back in. So then I was confused and scared that they were going to leave me out there. So then I woke up and also started shoveling my snow back together. But first I had to put on all the waterproof stuff, which I definitely did wrong. And I didn't set it up beforehand, so then I was just standing outside in Antarctica with like no waterproof or jacket or anything, and it was really, 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 really cold. And then I had to shovel everything back in, and then I woke up all the people around me because I was shoveling, and then people were like, why did everyone wake up so early? And the curtains closing. Yeah, it was really cold, but it was really, really, really fun. I was honestly kind of glad that I wasn't out there any longer than I was, because I think I was out there for like, 7 or 8 hours total? No. Yeah, 7 hours total. And it was kind of a long time, because I only slept for like 2 of them. So I don't know if I would do it again, but I'm very glad I did it once, because it was super cool and super fun and super cold, and yeah. Woo!
Good job.
Thanks.